Hey all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, we shall learn about the use of five senses in creative writing. This video is all about creative writing and how to teach creative writing to kids, right? So what are our five senses? Sense of hearing, the auditory sense of smell, the olfactory sense of taste, the gustatory sense, and sense of sight, the visual sense. One more sense that's not here is the tactile sense, that is the sense of touch, right? So, why we are going to learn this and why do we need to teach this to our kiddos? Because creative writing believes in show, don't tell. And that's why we need to teach this to our kids. And to show, don't tell, we use descriptive language using our five senses. Now, if this thing is still not clear to you, be with me to the end of the video. Let's see an example first. If you have got a picture of a cat and ask your kids to let's write a sentence or two about this cat, and they are not trained to write creatively, what do you expect from them? They might write, this is a cat or this is a cute cat. Right. But this seems boring and we need something more. So, to help kids write creatively, we can use these types of worksheets. In this worksheet, we have a picture here, and then we need to talk about our senses that describe the image using the senses listed below. See, what do you see when you look at this? Feel, how would you feel if you touch the thing? Does the thing have any smell? Or you can hear something? We can also add here a tongue when you are talking about something that we can eat, right? So for now, let's see how to fill up this worksheet and then how to write a creative sentence. So if you have got the worksheet here, let me make it bigger for you so you can see it easily and we can write as well. Creative writing. Describe the image using the senses listed below. I see. What do you see if you see this cat? It's a white, fluffy, cute cat with blue eyes and a cherry pink nose. This is what I can see, right? Now let's talk about how I feel if I touch this cat. I will feel something soft, again fluffy, smooth, silky, or even velvety. The next thing that we are going to talk about is smell. Now, can I smell something if I see this cat? Might be if she has taken a bath, so she can smell lavender because of her shampoo, right? Now, hair. Can I hear something if I see this cat? I can hear meow. Okay, this is the sound of this cat. Now we are going to write a sentence using these clues about the cat. So I might start my sentence like this with an onomatopoeia. Meow, meow. I heard Kiki's voice from the backyard and followed it. Kiki is my cute, fluffy, white cat with blue eyes and a cherry pink nose. Now, did you see that I have used the words from the above mentioned senses? Meow meow is the auditory sense. I heard Kiki's voice from the backyard and followed it. Kiki is my cute, fluffy, white cat. Sense of sight. With blue eyes, I have described her and a cherry pink nose. Again, what I can see, I have written it, but I have tried to describe my cat. If somebody has not seen her even, they can make an image in their mind that what type of cat will it be. So it's not necessary to use all of the things that you have written here, but at least you can make a better sentence if you use 2, 3 or more senses. Hope this makes sense to you. Now let's compare the two sentences. Without the use of descriptive language, it was this is a cat and this is a cute cat. But if we have used some senses here, so the sentence has changed drastically. So now you might be thinking that from where will you get worksheets like this? So to help you with this, I have uploaded a number of worksheets on my website. Let me show you that. Simply go to homeschoolingwithhera.com. It's here. I'll give the link in the description. Go to worksheets, scroll down to creative writing worksheets. Here you are. And here you have these tabs, or use senses to describe, use senses to write description, right? So you can talk about places, you can talk about some food item, you can talk about some animals, and then you can give kids random pictures and ask them to use their senses and write sentences. The best thing about my website is everything is free so far. So go there, grab these worksheets, and make your kids do some practice. So this is how you can help kids to make better sentences. And with this is the end of today's video. Hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.